In today's world, the spread of infectious diseases is quickly becoming a threat to our lives, posing a global health challenge to billions of people. But while germs and diseases spread like wildfire, it is important to seek measures to protect yourself. Introducing HEX, a portable box that keeps bacteria and viruses away from your everyday items like smartphones, glasses, masks, credit cards, watches, rings, etc. With ultraviolet sterilization and without a single blind spot, HEX kills 99.9% of all viruses and bacteria, so you can make sure your stuff is clean. This technology is widely used in the medical industry. HEX has a cutting-edge design, portable and easy to use, so that wherever you are, whether in the car, at home, or at your office, HEX guarantees your peace of mind. HEX does the job for real in only 5 minutes with the highest accuracy.